Welcome to the advanced guide to creating a board on Monday.com. This tutorial will walk you through the process of setting up a custom board tailored to your specific needs. To start, log into your Monday.com account and click on the Boards tab. Then, click on the Create a New Board button. You will be presented with a variety of templates to choose from, including project management, marketing, and sales. Select the template that best fits your use case or choose a blank board to start from scratch. Once you have selected your template, you will be taken to the board editor. The board editor is where you will customize your board to meet your specific needs. The board is made up of several key components, including groups, items, and columns. Groups are used to categorize items. Items are the individual tasks or objects on your board, and columns are used to track and display information about each item. To add a new group, click on the Add Group button and give your group a name. You can then add items to your group by clicking on the Add Item button. Each item can have multiple columns, which can be used to track a variety of information, such as due dates, priorities, and assigned team members. One of the key features of Monday.com is its ability to automate workflows using recipes. Recipes are custom automations that can be set up to perform a variety of tasks, such as sending notifications, creating new items, and updating columns. To set up a recipe, click on the Automation button and follow the prompts to set up your custom workflow. Best practices for creating a board on Monday.com include keeping your board organized and easy to navigate, using clear and concise language when naming groups and items, and setting up automations to streamline your workflow. It is also important to regularly review and update your board to ensure it remains relevant and effective. By following these steps and best practices, you can create a custom board on Monday.com that meets your specific needs and helps you to work more efficiently. With its intuitive interface and powerful features, Monday.com is a valuable tool for any team or individual looking to streamline their workflow and increase productivity.